Be honest, how many of us grew up hearing, just be grateful for what you have? It sounded kind, but deep down it trained us to play small, to stay safe instead of daring big. And now, we're realizing that comfort isn't peace. It's a quiet trap. We did everything right, studied hard, got the degree, found the job, yet somehow, we're still worried about rent, bills, and burnout. Everyone talks about self-care, but no one talks about how to afford it. It's exhausting pretending that stability means success. We were told stability was the goal, but now stability looks like burnout with a side of iced coffee. Society sold us the idea that comfort is success, when really it's the reason so many of us feel stuck. We're not lazy. We've just been taught to settle. If we keep settling, we'll blink and realize we built someone else's dream, not our own. The real danger isn't failing, it's staying stuck. But what if we stopped surviving and started building rich, powerful futures on our own terms? Hey besties, I'm Sophia, and welcome to Sophia Cash, the channel helping you glow up financially. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on weekly money mindset and wealth-building tips for women who are ready to level up. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice, but definitely financial empowerment. Today, we're breaking down how Gen Z women can stop settling and actually build a rich, fulfilled future, mentally, emotionally, and financially. Let's get it! Okay, let's be real. Being rich isn't just about the number in your bank account. It's about waking up knowing you're in control of your life, not your bills. Wealth means peace of mind, not just possessions. Like, 65% of Gen Z women say financial independence is their top goal, and same, right? But most of us think we need millions to make it. The truth? Wealth starts when you've got stability, growth, and control. Imagine this. You wake up stress-free, bills paid. Your money's out there working for you, and you finally have time to live, not just survive. That's what real luxury looks like. The lie we've been sold? That rich girls buy designer bags. But the truth is, real rich women buy time, peace, and options. Like Thoreau said, wealth is the ability to fully experience life. We've all had those moments where money feels like a monster under the bed. Bills, debt, or even just comparing yourself to others. It's easy to feel like you'll never get it together. But the truth is, that fear isn't yours. It's what you were taught. 70% of Gen Z women say money makes them anxious, and that's not random. We've been told to stay humble, not to talk about money, to just be grateful. But silence doesn't build wealth. Confidence does. Stop saying, I'm bad with money. Start saying, I'm learning to master it. Because every skill starts with a messy first step, and girl, you're allowed to start messy. Progress is confidence, not perfection. Don't compare your chapter 2 to someone's chapter 20. The real flex isn't perfection, it's persistence. Remember, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Let's be real, one paycheck isn't security, it's survival. If that paycheck disappears, so does your peace of mind. That's why Gen Z women are realizing that real freedom means having more than one stream of income. 44% of Gen Z women already have side hustles because we get it. Even an extra $200 a month can grow into thousands if you invest it right. It's not about being rich overnight, it's about being consistent every month. Imagine your side hustle paying for your travel fund or even your rent. That's not just money, that's freedom. It's waking up knowing you have options and that your effort today builds your future. The trap? Thinking you need to go viral to succeed. You don't. Success comes from showing up, learning, and doing it again, even when no one's watching. Remember, don't just work for money. Make money work for you. Investing isn't just for Wall Street brothers, it's for us, the smart women who want freedom and choices. You don't need a suit or a finance degree, just the courage to start. Because every dollar you invest is a vote for your future self. Did you know the average woman invests 40% less than men? That's not because we're not capable. It's because we've been told investing is risky or not for us. But sis, that mindset is the real risk. Imagine your future self smiling at you because you decided to plant money seeds early. Every small investment today can grow into something massive tomorrow. Your dream life starts with one bold yes. The trap is waiting until you make more. Don't wait. Start small. Start now. Because like the quote says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Your lifestyle tells your financial story. Every coffee, every scroll, every late night impulse buy, it's writing your future in real time. But here's the twist. You get to edit that story anytime you want. 60% of young people are stuck living paycheck to paycheck, but that doesn't have to be your story. You can design your lifestyle to support your dreams, not drain them. Think of your money habits as your personal brand of power. Romanticize your budget. Light a candle, play your favorite playlist, and make money time feel like self-care time. Because when you make your goals feel aesthetic and intentional, you'll actually stick to them. The trap? Thinking discipline kills fun. The truth? It's what gives you freedom. When you master your habits, you're not losing fun. You're building peace, options, and power. Like Jocko Willink said, discipline equals freedom. Here's the truth. Money grows faster when you're not doing it alone. Surround yourself with women who talk about goals, investments, and building futures, not just the next sale or gossip. When you grow with people who inspire you, your mindset levels up. You start believing that wealth, success, and freedom are possible for you. That kind of energy is contagious and powerful. But here's the trap. If you keep staying in circles that don't challenge you, you'll stay stuck. Comfort feels nice, but it doesn't build empires. Growth starts when you choose better company. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely. Build your circle like you build your dreams, with intention, love, and purpose. Building wealth isn't a sprint. It's a self-love marathon. You won't see results overnight, but every step counts. Think of every budget, every investment, and every no to instant gratification as proof that you're leveling up. Most people give up too soon. To 80% of new investors quit within 2 years. But not you. You're learning to stay consistent, even when it's hard, because you know discipline is the real flex. Show up for your goals even when no one's watching. The late nights, the sacrifices, the quiet work behind the scenes, that's where your glow-up is built. Don't compare your timeline to anyone else's. Your progress is your proof. Every small win means you're closer to the life you're building. Remember, success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. All right, queens, we talked about redefining wealth, healing your money mindset, building income streams, investing, creating a lifestyle that aligns with your goals, finding your tribe, and staying consistent. The system told us to settle. But Gen Z women, we're rewriting that story. We're not chasing crumbs. We're building empires. If this hit home for you, hit that like, subscribe, and share button, and join our journey to financial freedom. Now tell me in the comments, what's one financial goal you're claiming for your future self? This is Sophia Cash, helping you glow up financially. Remember, rich isn't a number, it's a mindset, and your future self is already proud of you.